Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Zontes have updated the 350 cubic centimeters scooter range into 368 cubic centimeters brand new single-cylinder engine into their E model, D model, and M model scooter. The 368 cubic centimeters engine has a high compression ratio of 1.8.1 and can achieve a power output of 28.5 kW and 40 Nm of torque with low fuel consumption. All models have been redesigned under the skin with reduction of weight by over 15 kg over the previous 350 cubic centimeters models, giving better acceleration handling and fuel economy. Exciting times ahead for Zontes. Please like and subscribe to join our journey.
Start practicing harder.
You are upset.